Welcome, everyone. Today we'll explore the AI project lifecycle from ideation to scaling in the retail sector. I'm Gary Stoyanov with HIGTM Management Consulting. We'll walk through how a retail AI initiative evolves from a spark of an idea into a fully scaled solution delivering tangible business value. This presentation is tailored for retail executives and decision makers, and it will illuminate best practices, key considerations, and real-world examples. By the end, you'll understand how to go from that initial "what if we use AI for this" moment to a successful AI-powered retail operation. Let's dive in. The first question is, why AI and why now in retail? The short answer, competitive advantage. Retail is embracing AI at an unprecedented pace. 87% of retailers have at least one AI initiative. Those who leverage AI are reaping rewards. 69% have increased annual revenue, and 72% have reduced operating costs thanks to AI adoption. These are real business outcomes. AI enables highly personalized customer experiences, smarter inventory management, efficient supply chains, and even new store formats like autonomous checkout. For retail leaders, AI is a strategic imperative to enhance customer loyalty and profitability. This context underpins why each stage of the AI project lifecycle matters. Getting it right means unlocking significant value. Before diving into details, here's a high-level view of the AI project lifecycle we recommend at HIGTM. It consists of 5 key phases: ideation, data and tech preparation, pilot proof of concept, deployment, and scaling. Think of it as going from a concept on paper to a solution running across all your stores. Importantly, this is a technical journey, as well as a business transformation. At each phase, we ensure the AI initiative aligns with your retail strategy and overcomes any retail-specific hurdles, be it integrating with legacy POS systems, ensuring data from both online and offline channels is usable, or preparing your staff for new AI-driven processes. Now let's break down each stage. Ideation is where it all begins, identifying the right problems to solve with AI. In retail, we start by pinpointing high-impact areas. For example, are stockouts hurting sales? Are shoppers getting generic recommendations? Could pricing be more dynamic? We gather cross-functional stakeholders, merchandising, supply chain, marketing, IT, to brainstorm AI use cases that address these pain points. Each idea must align with your strategic goals, whether it's boosting same-store sales, reducing operational costs, or elevating the customer experience. We also perform a quick feasibility check. Do we have the data needed, e.g. transaction logs, inventory levels, customer profiles, and the capability to execute? This vetting ensures we focus on viable, high ROI initiatives. At HIGTM, we often call this finding the unicorn use case, that rare combination of big impact and practicality. And yes, they do exist in retail when you know where to look. Once an idea is chosen, the next phase is getting your data and tech foundation ready. Data is the fuel of AI, so we conduct a thorough data audit. For a retailer, that means pulling data from your POS systems, e-commerce platform, CRM, inventory management, maybe even IoT sensors in stores. We often discover data silos or quality issues, like inconsistent product codes or missing customer info, that need fixing early on. In parallel, we select the right technology stack. This is where we consider our vendor ecosystem. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud offer retail AI building blocks. For example, Google's Recommendations AI or AWS's forecasting tools. Enterprise systems from IBM, Oracle, SAP, Salesforce bring AI capabilities for customer insights or supply chain optimization. We might also leverage NVIDIA for GPU-powered analytics or consultancies like Accenture for integration support. The key is to pick tools that integrate well with your current systems and can scale later. Finally, we set up a dedicated pilot team, blending technical talent, data scientists, engineers, with retail domain experts, merchandisers, store managers, and of course, stakeholder sponsors. This team will drive the project through a quick proof of concept. Now we move into the pilot phase, essentially building and testing a proof of concept for our chosen use case. Suppose our idea was an AI-driven recommendation engine for e-commerce. We'd start by developing a prototype model, perhaps using a subset of product and customer data. Or if it's AI for inventory optimization, we might pilot it in a handful of stores or for one product category to see how it performs. The goal here is a minimum viable product, MVP, something that works on a small scale. We iterate rapidly. The data science team trains the AI model, IT helps embed it into a test environment, and we get real users to interact with it. Their feedback is gold. Maybe the store staff say the forecasting tool is hard to use, so we tweak the interface. Or the model's first results show bias to certain products, so we adjust the data inputs. Throughout, we measure key metrics. For example, did our pilot stores see fewer stockouts? Did online customers engage 10% more with the personalized recommendations? This phase is about validating the concept in action. At HIGTM, we ensure the pilot results are compelling and backed by data, because they will build the case for broader rollout. With a successful pilot, it's time to deploy for real. In this deployment phase, the prototype is industrialized into a production-grade solution. Practically, this means our tech teams refactor prototype code into scalable, reliable software. We ensure it's secure, compliant with regulations, very important if we're handling customer data, think GDPR, and that it can handle real-world volumes, like all transactions across your chain. We work on systems integration as the AI needs to plug into existing systems. For example, an AI pricing engine must connect with your POS and online pricing systems to automatically update prices. A customer service chatbot should tie into your CRM so it has full context. HIGTM's approach emphasizes close collaboration between IT and business units here. We don't just toss the new AI tool over the fence. Equally critical is change management. Any AI, no matter how advanced, fails if people don't use it. So, we train your staff. Maybe merchandisers learn to interpret AI-driven demand forecasts in planning inventory. Or sales associates learn how a clienteling app suggests personalized offers. We address concerns. Common ones are, will this AI take over my job, or can I trust its recommendations? By proactively managing these questions and demonstrating the AI's benefits, we pave the way for smooth adoption. The final phase is scaling. The AI solution proved its worth in one area. Now we amplify that success across the organization. This requires a smart rollout plan. We might phase the expansion. For instance, first extend the inventory optimization AI to all stores in one region, then nationwide, then globally. Or roll out an e-commerce personalization engine from one country site to all your e-commerce sites, while localizing as needed. During scaling, we keep a close eye through monitoring. HIGTM helps set up real-time dashboards for key metrics. Think of a control tower watching over your AI. If performance dips, say, forecast accuracy drops because consumer behavior changed, the team is alerted to retrain the model or adjust parameters. AI isn't a set and forget. It learns continuously, and we must ensure it keeps learning the right things as data evolves. Beyond technology, scaling AI means nurturing a culture that embraces data-driven decision-making. Celebrate the wins. For example, if the AI saved X dollars in waste or drove a Y% sales uplift, share that with the whole company. That enthusiasm fuels further innovation. Many retailers use the momentum from one successful project to kick off others. An AI recommendation engine might lead to experimenting with AI-driven visual shelf monitoring next, for example. Scaling is not an end, but a new beginning, as your organization now has confidence to pursue more AI opportunities. Let's ground this in some real-world retail AI innovations. AI is fueling personalized marketing. For instance, Amazon famously generates a large chunk of its sales, around 35%, through its AI-powered recommendation engine. That's personalization at scale. Traditional retailers have followed suit with their own recommender systems and loyalty apps that serve tailored deals. Next, inventory and supply chain. Leading retailers use AI to forecast demand, so the right products are in the right place at the right time. This cuts down out-of-stock incidents and excess inventory. Some grocery chains use AI to predict demand spikes, say ahead of a holiday, and automatically adjust orders to suppliers. Operations automation is big in stores and warehouses, Think autonomous store concepts like Amazon Go's Just Walkout technology, or startups like Trax, providing shelf-scanning robots to alert staff when items run low. Many retailers are also piloting robots for routine tasks, floor cleaning, shelf stocking, so employees can focus on customers. On the pricing and customer service front, AI can adjust prices in real time in response to competitor moves or stock levels, so-called dynamic pricing. And AI chatbots handle millions of customer queries on websites or messaging apps, e.g., Salesforce Einstein chatbot or IBM Watson Assistant, to provide instant service. The takeaway: AI in retail is not science fiction. It's happening now, from marketing to supply chain to stores. When planning your AI project, it helps to be aware of this landscape so you can leverage proven ideas and maybe partner with some of these technology providers. It's worth mapping out the ecosystem of players that can support your AI journey. No retailer has to do this alone. In fact, successful AI projects often involve a smart combination of in-house effort and external partnerships. On one side, we have the tech giants. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google offer cloud platforms with retail-tailored AI capabilities. For example, Google Cloud's Vision. AI can identify products in images. Amazon Web Services offers Amazon Personalized for recommendations. Microsoft's Cloud for Retail brings CRM, analytics, and AI together. IBM has Watson AI services focused on everything from supply chain to customer service. Oracle and SAP have integrated AI into their retail management software. Useful if you already run on those. Salesforce, with its Einstein AI, can power personalized marketing and customer insights. Even Alibaba, a retail giant itself, offers AI solutions and is a case study in AI-driven retail operations. Then we have specialist AI providers. For instance, NVIDIA doesn't sell retail solutions directly, but their GPUs enable advanced AI like real-time video analytics for loss prevention or queue management. Enterprise AI firms like C3.ai or Symphony AI offer pre-built industry models, some specifically for retail forecasting, etc. Niche players bring innovation too. Trax uses computer vision to audit store shelves. Vicenzi offers visual search so customers can search for products by images. Finally, integrators and consultants such as Accenture, Capgemini, Tata Consultancy, TCS, and others play a crucial role from ideation, running strategy workshops, identifying use cases, through implementation, system integration, change management. HIGTM works as an orchestrator in this ecosystem. We help you choose the right vendors and partners, and we bring leadership to ensure all these pieces fit your business. Knowing who does what in the AI and retail landscape helps you plan a project with confidence and clarity and avoid reinventing the wheel. Any worthwhile initiative has its challenges. Being forewarned is forearmed. A big one in retail is data. You might have mountains of it, but if it's siloed, online versus store data not talking, or messy, duplicate records, errors, your AI will stumble. We put strong emphasis on data cleaning and integration early on. Next, executive buy-in and vision. For AI to succeed, it needs a mandate from the top. That means not just funding, but also clear messaging from leadership that becoming an AI-driven retailer is a priority. This helps in securing resources and in overcoming resistance to change. Another success factor: maintain a pilot mentality even as you dream big. By that I mean start with small wins, prove the concept, but always code and design with the bigger picture in mind so you can scale the solution. Avoid quick fixes that don't generalize. And very importantly, consider the people, both customers and employees. Any AI project should ultimately enhance the customer experience. Faster service, better recommendations, smoother checkout, etc. If it doesn't, question its value. Similarly, for employees, frame AI as an assistant, not a threat. Involve store teams or merchandisers in the process, get their feedback, and show how the AI makes their work easier or more rewarding. When people see AI as a collaborator, not a competitor, adoption skyrockets. HIGTM has seen projects flourish when these human factors are addressed alongside the tech. In closing, we've seen how an AI project in retail can go from a mere idea to a fully scaled reality that transforms your business. By following a structured life cycle, Ideation, careful planning, piloting, deployment, and scaling, you dramatically increase the odds of success. Retail is being reshaped by AI, from how we market to customers, manage stock, price products, to how stores operate. These technologies, when executed well, can delight customers and drive significant efficiency and profit gains. HIGTM has had the privilege to help retailers navigate this journey, bringing a blend of strategic insight and hands-on know-how. If you're excited by the possibilities of AI in your organization, now is the time to act. We at HIGTM are here to help you every step of the way, from refining that initial idea to scaling up the solution across all your stores. Thank you for your time and attention. Let's continue the conversation. Reach out via hightm.com to discuss how we can tailor these insights to your specific needs and get your AI initiative on the fast track to success.